So welcome to today's video. Guys, I found one of the most game-changing items at Louis Vuitton for less than $1,000. If you want to know what that item is, then just keep watching. Before we get started with the video, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss any of my uploads. Thumbs up the video so I know you like my content. Then leave me a comment so we can get to know each other. Now, let's get started with the video. Okay, guys. So let me tell you about this little item in this little bag that has changed the game for not one, not two, but three of my Louis Vuitton bags. Guys, let me just get into it. This bag right here is the neonoe. Now, I love this bag. This is my everyday bag. This bag is what sparked my interest in this item, and we're going to get into it. So, guys, I absolutely love this bag. This is my everyday bag, like my everyday, like legit bag. Like I know we have Chanel bags and Dior bags and we're like, oh, we can wear this every day. It's an everyday bag. Like I do it myself. Like, oh, is it large enough for me to wear every day? But, you know, when I'm dressed in the evening, like, is it small enough for that? Like, can I do it both occasions? You know, yada, yada. But, like, legit, like, seriously, this is the bag that I wear all the time. This is the bag that I take to Home Goods. I take this to the supermarket. Sometimes if I'm going shopping in the city, I might take this bag as well. If my outfit calls for this bag, then I'm wearing this bag. But this bag gets a lot of burn for me. Now, this bag is very practical. It comes with this strap right here that I just keep rolled in my bag. This strap is adjustable. You can make it long to be crossbody. I wear it crossbody as well because it's long enough for that on my 5'11" frame. And it's also a shoulder bag. Like you can shorten this here, like you can unsnap it and, you know, do one of these numbers to make it just, you know, a cute little shoulder bag. This strap is so thin. After like a few hours of wearing this, it hurts my shoulder. It's resting on my bra strap. You guys know I have big boobs. This is just like pressing on the bra and it's just creating too much tension on my poor little shoulder. Although, like, I've gotten used to it. Like, I wear it. I'm like, you know, whatever. I mean, there is no handle on this bag. Like, there's no handle on this bag. Although, I could get a short handle and put here and attach it here because the newer versions have, like, a top handle and a strap as well. But this one, this is about maybe 4 or 5 years old. I'm not sure. But it's not the newer version. It's the newer version, but not the new version that just came out like a year ago. So it doesn't have a top handle. So that's this bag right here. Let's move on to the next bag. So this bag, the Pochette Matisse, another bag that I love. Guys, I'm like obsessed with this bag. I love it. So this one has a top handle, luckily, and it also comes with a shoulder strap. So let me show you the shoulder strap. It comes with this strap, which is also a crossbody strap, but it would be nice to have a different looking strap for this bag to change the look around. Now we go on to the next bag. So this is the Cans bag, another one of my favorite bags from Louis Vuitton. So this also comes with a shoulder strap that can be worn crossbody or long ways. Let me find the strap and show you. Another very thin strap. So you just attach it to the sides here and it comes with this long, you know, strap. So now let's open this little one right here. Guys, let me tell you something. This has changed the game for me. Like, seriously, I absolutely love it. I haven't worn it out in real life yet, but I did try it in the store. So I got a bandoulière strap. Guys, this strap is going to change the look of these three bags and also be so comfortable on my shoulder. Do you see how wide this is? It's so wide. It's like, so it's the coated canvas on this side and then black on this side. Look at this over my shoulder. I mean, hello, it's the comfort for me and convenient. It's so comfortable. It's a nice wide strap, but not too wide where it's like so bulky and always falling down. Like it just lays perfectly there. Like it's just like, hello, you were made for my shoulder. On top of the comfort, guys, it also changes the look of the bag. So let me show you with the neonoe. And I'm going to insert mod shots so you'll actually get to see what it looks like on. But look at this. Look how cute. It's just so convenient, so comfortable. I mean, like, seriously, guys, I'm so happy about this strap. Literally a game changer. If you have these Louis Vuitton bags, then you know these straps are not the most comfortable straps. So let's see what it looks like on the Pacette Matisse. And I'm so happy with the color that I got because it literally goes with all of my Louis Vuitton bags. Look at this. So cute, guys. And again, the comfort, the convenience, it just hits at the right place. So now let's see how it looks on the Cannes bag. See how it looks? I just love it, guys. And the good thing about the Cannes bag is that it's flat on the back. So when it's resting on you, like, it's not rounded, like, it feels comfortable because it's just flat against your side. This is not a new item. Like, this has been in stores for what, a few years now, but I just never paid it any mind. I'm just like, yeah, whatever. Like, I have strap, like, my bags come with straps. I'm not putting the strap on a non Louis Vuitton bag. Like, I mean, if you want to do that, you can, but for me, like, I'm not doing that. So after I'm like looking at my collection and just like, oh, these straps are a little bit annoying. And just what would change the look of the bag, it's just the perfect strap. This is my least favorite of the three, although I do love it. But with the neonoe, guys, it's perfect on this bag. So that's it, guys. I wanted to quickly pop on and show you my new game-changing item from Louis Vuitton that I feel like if you have Louis Vuitton bags in your collection, if your straps aren't that comfortable, or if they are comfortable, but you just want to add a little bit of refresh, just make your bag look a little fresher, you know, for the 2021. You don't want to buy a whole new bag, but you just want a different look for your bag, then guys, this is your option right here because it's cute, it's comfortable, it's like, you know, trending, but I don't see this going out of style because it's a strap. It's just a little wide. I just absolutely love it. So let's talk about it in the comments below like we always do. Remember to stay safe, be great, stay great, and always strive for greatness. AI the Great signing out, but I'll see you in my next video. Peace.